Hi there, I'm Dan Kniff with Interplant Sales. I'm going to run a Chevalier surface grinder for you here today. It's a model FSG-618M. M is for manual. This machine features a 2-axis Acu-Rite digital readout on it. It's for in and out and up and down. Machine's got automatic lubrication on the ways, comes with coolant system on it. It's got a fine line chuck, work light. Start the spindle up. It's wired for 230, can be rewired for 460. Got 2 horsepower direct drive spindle. Nice clean machine. Oil indicator here showing the oil flow, showing it's getting good oil. Weighs. It's cast iron base, nice heavy base on it. The storage compartment. Got a vacuum pickup, an extra cover down here. There's a toolbox back in here. Good running machine. If you have any questions, give us a call.